Ahead of your session, plug in your headset or speakers and microphone and log into eclassesconnect.contactnorth.ca from Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. Click Attend to launch your session. Note that you may be prompted to first download or open Adobe Connect Meeting or Adobe Connect Mobile. When the meeting room opens, select Meeting Audio Setup Wizard to adjust your speaker and microphone settings. Once you are given microphone rights, you can connect your audio and make additional adjustments from the mic drop-down menu. Adjust chat text size, color, and sounds if you wish, and if enabled, test your webcam settings. When the meeting begins, the host may turn on the record feature, indicated by a red dot in the top right corner. To speak in the session, click on the microphone icon. Click it again to mute your microphone. When enabled, you can start your webcam if requested by the host. Use the Set Status menu to raise your hand, display a green check or red X when asked, or to give other feedback throughout the session. You can also use the chat pod to communicate by text message. If requested, use the draw tools to add markups, including symbols, shapes, or highlighters, to session content. When the meeting ends, you will see either a message or a web page selected by the meeting host. Click the X in the upper corner to close the meeting room. If the host exits without ending the meeting, you can exit Adobe Connect from the meeting menu. For assistance with Adobe Connect, you can call the Contact North Help Desk at 1-888-850-4628, or for additional Adobe Connect meeting resources, please visit the Participant Help page at eclassesconnect.contactnorth.ca.